Yes, my people, them wanna see which part we there. We there for one place where they call free school. We there on top of free school.
And look out.
Going, you want me general, going close to the hospital. So we call round here, so we just say we pass Rice Peace, come up in a free school. So we there on top of free school now. So we are look back down at Bombrook and the whole line of Port Antonio. So if you can see as far as your eye can see, you can see the pier out there, so you can see the harbour mouth. Go back down at Bombrook there, so you can see which part the Bombrook Plaza make up. So the new plaza, Country School, that over there, so same way. So if you can follow the place, all out there, your Portland, if you can get a view from here, so you can take yourself, so you can map out that spot there, you can remember, so that there, so yeah, same way. With all the hardware they know, since lately the hardware they put in, so no people would even know say hardware down there, so we name R&H and DIB and all of the hardware they come down in a Bombrook area right now. Cause look on a big pretty one the way I look on. A DIB building that, you know, I since I've get that this, you know, this why you to over Red David when no people know this was Red David, yes, maybe. Right. So this one now. And no more Red David did it again, brother. Now guess what now did it again. This one now a DIB hardware that you look on, man. We there on top of free school. So which part we there? We are look right over Wharf, we are look all over New Pier and all of them places there. So you can see the view from here, so people, all the place develop. You see them nice house here, a free school there, so all of them pretty house where we are look on right now in front of we are, so we finish and we not finish, a free school this we there. But we are go on a little short road here, go through free hospital and end up back around on Portland Road. So we are going to show you the place. Long time we don't get them view here, so Brooksie tour the place and a show now. So we might end up all up a bunny view too, you know.
Yeah, man.
As can't how we feel if we walk today, you know. So
Hi,
I think kind of tour them with the bunny view, you know? So and me and Dorian, you know Auntie Cherry and Pretty, because you know Rashida and Jelisa. We don't know for them things there. Them are for their work and school. So we are doing part of journey, you know. So we are going around on the road here. You know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, which you know can see, we are take time to take on the journey and I walk around on the road. Yeah, if you walk here, so this is a shortcut to the hospital. You know? Yeah, this is a shortcut to the hospital coming from Falkland side.
Yeah.
So if you walk over the hill, you got hospital easily.
Yeah.
You don't have to go around the road and take the main road. We have back street which have to carry hospital to, you know.
Yeah, man.
If nobody sick of Falkland, we can drive yourself to the hospital quick too, you know.
Yeah.
All that we
Look
right.
at total traffic and
Yeah.
but it's good food.
A free a berry?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And a nice was in one there. With some curry chicken back.
Climbing up.
Man. Beautiful man. That we are really low.
Yeah. I put the big it riverside there now.
The one the cherry like visit to, you know, look there.
Yeah.
Nice breadfruit them there, you know. A yellow heart them, you know. Free school and marriage, man. They
Yeah,
tell you, you know.
totally. But then
Free
near
school
man.
and marriage be the best breadfruit. Yeah, the place kind of develops still enough people because all them places that went time. We are youth. I just don't listen to most of them places up to them at the road. So
Yeah.
house, you know.
Sure.
People like go down. A man go out there and he make a
Coming back and
yeah, he try to develop his place and make him little home little better.
and I write in that, you know.
Yeah, more comfort to him and his family them too, you know.
Right.
So if you really take a look and view the place,
Yeah.
you go see say, I want for my development plan. You understand?
Right.
Which has enough people remember them places, they are free schools,
I'm ready
going
for
to the
it.
hospital.
Pretty.
Back
Of course, they were
in
wrong.
the 80s and 70s, I just one little small also that here them places there, you know?
Yeah.
But if you notice now, everybody
Look on the
advanced.
pink and
Everybody advanced on them places.
Yeah.
So me I say,
Yeah,
I know so well, yeah.
oh, they're pretty.
Everything is different now, so people advance on their home.
Yeah.
Make their home come more comfortable,
Right.
space more and, you know? Yeah. Directly, you know? You find that the place like that develop more and look more nice and all too. All we did use to run on them places. Yeah. So free school up on the heights. Nice place to live, man. You find that people them develop the place more and more every day. The place take time upgrade. As a man advance from female and make it bigger too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you put forward?
So we go closer to the hospital now.
This is silent zone.
Right, so you go closer to the hospital. You don't make no only for night when you come here. So
The floor.
yeah. You see all them house on the hillside there? Them house they never did all the while, you know, since that
one
place,
day.
them house they come there, the top of the hospital, this now with the people. You see them pretty nice, pretty mansion there? Yeah. Anything they youth, them are going with, you know, with their money, you know?
What do you mean?
So youth with the America, youth with house, they are doing it for years.
Put one roof over there, yeah?
Exactly.
Rain and falling can't wait.
Yeah. You know, so with the on the road now to the hospital, with the behind the hospital, these are the children ward, which everybody knows. This is the children ward, but to the back part of the section like this with them. Yeah, because that street here, at the back part like this. You only can view the back of the children ward. This is the big part now where everybody can use this of the adults. So you know, say,
Yeah.
we still get to the back of the building same way, because we never approach it from the front.
No, up
So,
to the funny back.
The view where them a get, the little view where them a get are just from the back here. So right now, what people no can see are still pulled to the hospital. We on the way going on to the front section of it. So if you look good, you can see that there's still old hospital. And we take a thing, little painting and some renovation going and so something. But inside still look good and up and running. Same way, you know.
Right.
So we have to still give thanks, so you know, say we still have a good hospital at Port and in the same way. And in a overcrowded, we know heap of people.
Yeah.
So if we sick, we have space to go. Mango tree, a beer door.
Yeah. A string it, you know?
A string it is.
You look so?
Oh, you know, see a string and then alright.
Because me know it.
Yeah, it look like a
Yeah,
string
man,
if
a
it should
stringy
be.
man.
Yeah,
Know
people
what you
remember
say.
the good old stringy mango.
Yeah.
Yeah, enough
It
people.
smell.
Yeah, enough people like the mango here, you know, I carry a lot of ear.
Yeah.
So it's sweet.
Stuck in your teeth
Yeah,
too.
I'm my favorite mango. Yeah. I eat mummy like. In time we go now, we have find string, me have to
You see,
carry two for
you put on that till all the
our
next
favorite
day and make it
mango.
stay look.
Yeah,
man.
right. That's right, D.
Nice.
Yeah. But we are come round and round, closer to the front now, you know. That's how I wish by you can walk to one back here.
Yeah.
And close the half by you. Like you have to enter and round here anymore.
No, no. Over here, saw some of the nurses, then stay upon that
Yeah,
building.
nurses water.
Yeah. And doctor.
Water.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
If you come from far out and you want to live in.
Right.
Right.
I over here, of the nurses. Yeah, man.
Yeah, exactly, you know. So you know, so you can come park up the vehicle and
They're near to your
you're then
hospital.
to your home and come.
At least they make a place there for them.
Definitely,
Yeah, because you have some far out nurse and
yeah,
doctor.
Man. Yeah, man.
Right.
So they need place to stay when they come.
Yeah, room, man.
But as we said, people you can't see it. Yeah, we are coming on to the front now. Yeah.
Right.
If you can't take a good look from here, so we never really ever go up in the yard right now. So can't take
So
a
they
good
have a
look.
maternity ward there.
Yeah, come down here some fun.
CSSD.
Yeah, you can't really see the sign there. So you know, what all these places is all about. Exactly.
Oh,
Port Antonio.
the view here.
Roof now for the hospital.
Yeah, right, you know. So you find, say, yes, people, this is the maternity ward part. We are going to have your little youth or something, you know. Just like Jubilee at home. You know, they call it Jubilee. Yeah, so we Jubilee. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know? So you can get a view eyes up the front and say, well, then at the hospital, that you know, you see it. Or we look nice and something now because they work on your upgrade your point for something to it. So you look good, man. It's a good look right now, me I tell you. No, not where shaky and shabby. Clean and nice and look good. Yeah. Come down on the outpatient part now. You say, you're like the clinic section.
Pharmacy pickup.
Clinic
Yeah, and
section.
dressing.
And right, so you're coming on the side, so you're going to the pharmacy here, and you go to your clinic here, and so, you know.
Step set them. You walk come up from hospital.
We good, brother, we good. We on the rear round, but every time I go round, so we park the hospital now. We park the hospital going round. And that's our road. Army Lane and go back round in them place there. So we come back round to hospital same way, you know. And them place that, you know, remember, you know, the place look nice and stay same way, clean and look good, you know. All the green vegetable them and the trees them look clean and nice same way. Yeah. Good environment when you run at them place. Yeah. Portland, man. Remember, say Portland is one place where they tell us always green, you know. Because we get a lot of rainfall.
What kind of tree?
Pimento.
Alright.
Pimento tree.
Yeah.
That pimento we use the spice. This is the one we call
Yeah.
nutmeg.
Yes. And nutmeg, the point let me see one.
Right.
They nearly feel one.
Two of them are too spice, you know, so.
Yeah.
Probably them plant them close by.
Yeah.
Too spice tree. Yeah, so the place where they used to store the dead them. That's back in the day still, you know. Then thing you know go on.
Everything changed up.
How what did they know?
No, yeah. No go on so.
When did then you know, then just carry them
They
down?
carry them to a funeral home where the
Funeral home.
George's, Brown funeral home or whatever place you want to choose to carry your dead. You understand?
Yeah.
So when the hospital have a dead, the hospital then just call one of them place and then contact it. Then they keep it somewhere in a them place. That's a back then. Yeah, but as you can see, you know, at the same old Portland told you, which some people can still take a view of the place and remember say, yeah, you know, some remember them place in Brooksie. Me used to walk up there so go to the hospital, me used to drive there so to see him way.
Yeah.
So you know, say the road that carry right round back.
The road that carry a credit union.
Right back down the bar, right.
On a
back
fire
down the back
station.
Yeah.
And up a
right
Bunny
back
View.
down. Carry a lovely lane.
Yeah.
You carry right back in the town, you can take it to Bunny View.
Yeah, man.
You carry any side you want to go.
The same one road there.
So we just tour the place people that you know can't catch back a clip of which part you know used to. As we kind of look different now, because which part some house they know, you know, when time you know they home, you know, you can't remember, you know, house never there them place that you know. And not telling yourself, say, oh, what kind of house did this, so we make this, so that never did it. I say it's a place them they make, man. So you find some people try to live which part for them little piece of land there, you know. And anyway for me piece there, them live, you know. So if you have a go home in a night, and you know see a shot over your leg, and you're there, you have to go home, you have to go home, you know.
Yeah.
You have to go home, man.
Right.
And me I tell you, say one night me I go home, you know. And me I tell you, say, D,
Yeah.
duppy take me away, you know. I carry me home, you know, with them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I live a Springbank then time there, me a trad road late, you know, D.
Yeah.
And a beat road, I go up a beat road, I go up, you know, so me catch a one place, me find, say, don't take over me yard. Me can't see now where me I go again.
Yeah.
You know, so when me I get back clear, D, we doing in a one gully, me find myself, tie up in a some string and something.
Yeah.
I smell one sweet perfume too, you know. So me say,
Outside.
boy, what kind of woman perfume this me I smell?
Eh.
Well, come like a one woman ghost, I carry me away in the night there, you know.
See, I like
Yeah, when I'm like, you see me, I like me off in the night there and I carry me away with him, you know. But when me come like me spirit kind of strong, you know, so
Yeah.
me overcome power him down in the bush. But he have me down in the bush.
Yeah.
And me I said, John, you know, how me find myself down in this gully here.
Yeah.
The road me I walk and like how me I walk, I say, no, but at night, you know.
Yeah.
So when me reach a one part of the road, me I said, me come like, me can't see no more.
Yeah.
At time I overpower me, I cover me eye and dark up my face and something and take me away, you know.
Yeah, we can.
And slip me off a track, you know.
Yeah.
So me find myself slip off a track and down in a one gully like down here, so me there. But you know, me know stay down in a gully me there
Yeah.
now. So me feel the bush, them a rub on me.
Yeah.
Me in a bush,
And you can't see,
Yeah,
no?
if I did on the road like that, so me wouldn't feel no bush
No,
and
you
rub
don't
on me.
feel no bush.
So me feel the bush, them a rub on me. So me I say, no sir, something wrong, man.
Yeah.
When me come back to myself, in a gully me there, man. Ghost take me away
Right.
in the night, they carry me home with them.
So when you find out what you do, bro?
Me come up back in the road for me hand and foot fast man down I gully man like down the up. Me
Yeah.
crawl for me hand and foot and come up back in the
Quick.
road. Yeah, and find up on my yard fast me reach home.
Yeah.
When then time there me and my cousin live at the house, you know.
Right.
So when we go home him bed before me.
Yeah.
So when we go home in the night now. Me no bother wake him up now, me go on my bed.
Right.
So when daylight the man he said to me say, I want me come last night. And I tell him say me alone man.
Yeah.
But me I tell him now what happened to me on the road coming up.
Yeah.
The man said, Brooksie, let me tell you, you know, that ghost come home with you, you know.
Backside.
From you come last night and go in your room,
Eh.
you know. Me no sleep again, you know.
Backside, because he go in a film
Man say
room.
one fire take him in a film bed, him have to look all and I'm bed the fire that day, you know. Oh, we hot in bed, you know.
Yeah.
The man said, Brooksie, boss, come in with you. So me I say, true man, kind. He take me way down the road. He
Yeah.
carry me down in a one gully, you know.
Yeah.
So me I tell the man what to me, and the man I say, yeah man, I true man, he come home with you for 2 man car. The man say come like fire make up in a bed, man.
Yeah.
Come in a bed get hot. You know that man I say, no sir.
Right.
Something wrong Brooksie man. Cause oh in my bed that me have to go look all under bed if nothing wrong with my bed man. Cause
In the garden, they go see fire.
me nah tell you man.
He light stove.
A whole heap of time ghost do me encounter with ghosts man.
Yeah, what the
Enough
spirit
time,
stronger,
enough time.
yeah.
You see when we are youth, one time when we younger, you know,
Mm-hmm.
one youth come a parkland, yeah, red water grass.
Red water grass.
Yeah.
What they say good?
The good for
Good
everything, man.
oh.
Yeah, man, I eat that. Yeah. That's a
Yeah.
Moses in the basket, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
And
the
the
red
next one,
one.
red
This
water
one.
grass.
Which
Yeah.
one?
This
See
one.
that?
That one
Yeah.
red
Oh.
one. Yeah.
Red water grass, that.
Where good for?
Whole heap of something.
pressure, them
Blood
say.
pressure, sugar,
Yeah.
all kind of something.
For
they say this
circulation
good for.
of blood.
Yeah. Poor circulation of blood, all kind of something they say this good for. Red water grass, this name, you know. This one here with the long leaf,
Yeah.
this then call it Moses in the basket.
Moses
this good
in the
feed pressure
basket.
too and then something there too. And
Yeah.
sugar and then kind of something there. People take this for pain and then something there when you feel pain.
Right.
People use them boil and drink.
She a drop
Mommy always draw that and drink it. Mommy drink that all the while. When man, me go look some here around.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me I tell you about the ghost here now, we take with the little boy. When we are youth, you know, one little boy come from Prospect, you know. Come look for some people. You know, like when you have a friend,
Yeah.
and you carry your little son, and you and your friend in a house a reason.
Right.
But pick the day out in a yard and play.
Yeah.
One of the time, fear you missing the backside to
Yeah.
a stranger come there.
Yeah.
He missing in a day there. Nobody can find him around 4 o'clock in the evening. You know, because I say, like the woman I say, where Oshie in there?
Yeah,
Nobody
yeah.
can find Oshie.
Nobody can find
Night I come down, nobody can
Nobody
find
can
us
find
here.
it.
Nobody no know where little you turn.
Right.
And remember, I'm the rest of people them in the other place and there, you know. And
Right.
2 parents in a house are all and raising and a cook and a do what them a do, you know.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, me I tell you, D, no go take away little boy.
What them find?
But another same night them find him.
What them find him?
Them find him back, yes, but another same night them find him. They find him back like the next day, don't you?
Outside.
And the next day they find him back.
When the night when they brought that shiny nut.
That time Shani a little bit of baby.
Yeah.
And when the ghost take away little boy in the night, they know them search whole evening and can't find him. So night come down pan
Yeah.
them, searching, same
Yeah.
way. So when you look up in a one inside where them a search,
One
20 buckle torch up there,
Yeah,
are
because-
more, you know. People like buckle torch in the night and start search for little boy and can't find him, you know. And search at one place near Carrefour Walk, we park me and Mabby did live first.
Yeah.
Around there, then go find
Around
him.
there, find the
Like
boy.
one maroon man where they live in our community, when he
Oh.
Shorty say, when he go to him bed the night after then done the searching and couldn't find him, he go
Yeah.
sleep the night and dream say, the little boy they way around in one place where they call to walk in a one, in a one jungle, you know.
Yeah.
And Shorty wake up the morning like 4 o'clock. And Shorty alone go round there in the morning. You know when we there out there and people decide now, so we are going to go up and search again, go look
Yeah.
for him. And Shorty we see her come with the little boy on his shoulder.
Right.
Yes, walk with him
Yeah.
on the neck. You know you put little baby on your shoulder.
Right.
And so Shorty a come with him. When he come out the little boy, yeah, then wild. You can see say something did wrong with him overnight.
Yeah.
If the little boy if he tell you the story, man, the little you see one cow. One
Yeah.
cow take him away, you know.
Yeah.
All right. You say my slide off, I call back and he go using tail
And should be more
and
back.
shove him up back
Yes, sir.
and carry him away. If you see where the Shorty go for the little youth,
Yeah.
if Shorty never get a vision there as when he say, that little youth they dead there so he can't find back in way if he come back out of front. He couldn't come home back.
Yeah.
Him alone now find own. You hear me say?
Imagine that, man.
Hey, the little man, when the man see man, the man wild. Wild the. Yeah. Wild me I tell you man. So,
Yeah.
all them things them me go through to you know. No ghost story me know you know.
Yeah, man.
You know ghost story enough man.
You know when enough time you talk about ghost story because current gone, they know, you know.
What?
And you in your house, you know, and have nothing to do, you talk to
Yeah,
them regularly, you know.
You know one
And
night,
some ghost story.
you know, one time when them pick me small,
Yeah.
you know, you have poor people, so we try every little thing to make food up on the table.
Right.
So them time the mommy used to sell little vegetable out of bundle. You have to go to town, go buy the vegetable them call like wheat then.
Right.
So which part we live now, when she go take bus a man in time to go town,
Yeah.
it's kinda scary if she alone to go out a main road.
Right.
So me have to follow her go.
Yeah.
So one morning, me and mommy I go take bus to our town. But she used to tell me about this big dog where she always a buck up in the truck at night time.
Yes.
So me say, how me never buck up that the dog there? And
Right.
I said, Brooksie, you see that dog, you are afraid of him because that dog is no normal dog.
Right.
And the biggest dog she ever see.
Yeah.
And to the dog look,
Yeah.
it don't look like it's a normal dog.
Right.
Anyway, you know, say to me and him and I yard, me don't want them to feel afraid now, no.
Yeah,
Me I tell them, say, you don't know, man, that the dog,
No,
them,
no,
just
for sure.
wild dog in a bush and grow big and he come out and look food or something like that, you know.
Yeah.
Me I pray say, you know, a good spirit, mommy, see for true.
Right.
Come in at the farm, a dog shape there. The morning when me and I go down now the hill to go up, take the bus to go town. When me have the flashlight, I go down the hill and hold the light so you see when me look down in front of me like this, so I come up the hill, when me I come down, him a come up.
Yeah.
I want dog, me see on the size of a cow calf, you know.
No, man. That big, you know?
That's me say, no, sir. And the dog, this what Cherry tell me about.
Yeah.
I'm shine the flashlight on him.
Yeah.
And so me hold the light in his face. And guy then red like your shirt. That's me say, no, sir. And him turn back. The dog turn back, go back down the hill.
Yeah.
And me nobody stop. Me follow him too. And with the light on
What
him.
you want to do? So him a
And
go?
me, yeah, me a watch him and me have me light. So and him a go on in front of me and him go right down and go across the river.
Yeah.
And gone over in one bush. And me and Cherry take the road come out.
Yeah.
Me follow her go take bus, go meet the person where man him a go travel to that town.
Yeah.
And him go meet the person and then gone.
Right.
That time then two pick me alone up a yard, you know.
Yeah.
Standing in a Shaban, you know. And me go back home in 4 o'clock there. And go up
Yeah.
and sit with them alright and go back go lay down till daylight.
Yeah.
And one of the biggest dog me ever witness.
Combat.
The dog foot them big like the I want little cow me see in I before morning there.
Yeah.
Me say no sir. Let me afraid me turn back. Trust me. And me say,
Wanna see
"Oh,
back in front that?
people see him.
Oh.
Me never see him again, but other people
See him
tell
after
me say
that.
they go a calf walk and see him.
Oh.
Calf walk a place where enough was there, you know.
Oh.
Make me tell
So
you.
like them places are like where slavery did the
Around the
time
grizzly them
there.
and cat did say them a go look, go catch ghosts one night. When Pamphlet
Was
cat
good at catch them.
Pamphlet disappeared when Jizzy that look video with cat.
Yeah.
Around there, then they say them a go look. If it goes in a
I
night.
think that's a ghost sketch.
Me tell you another story. Me know one of that story again, me I tell you now. Me go, this a man here, a couple of them well. But here where them don't know. This white man here, you know, he come from white man, he's a foreign. Whether Germany or England or France or where the white man come from, Spain or where. The white man come to Portland, come from foreign, come to Portland to when you find way. And find say the man say he have one, he get a vision
Oh.
to one place where they are Portland when name Waterworks.
Yeah.
So when they check out the man say he get a vision, he go get one panya jar up a Waterworks.
Yeah.
So this a white man I say no, alright. He find Portland, he find some people at Portland who know where Waterworks there. So him and them arrange, he carry him. The people in Portland who know where Waterworks, they go carry the white man over Waterworks, go make him find this spot where he
Yeah.
say, the Spaniard jar, the way he forget. He say whole Spaniard people and dream him and tell him say Jamaica there up there.
Yeah.
Anyway, when he go Waterworks and see the spot, but he tell him, man, them will carry him up, they say, look here, me have to go back to Germany, or France, or where, I have to go back to foreign.
Yeah.
The things them when he use to rise the panya jar, him not have all of the equipment them.
Yeah.
Him have to go way back and get all of the stuff them. But if you rise the panya jar and if make him get when he get.
Right.
Tell them black man, I say, all right, me I go back on the road. The next 3 week time, we will come back and then now we are going to go to Waterworks and go carry on with something.
Yeah.
Sprinkle with Highland, do what
Do
we
what
do
we
and
do.
rise Spaniard jar.
Yes, sir.
Man then say, all right, go on and come back. White man gone a foreign. When the white man gone now, them your man you know, them tell themselves, say, them now wait for him to come back.
Yeah.
Them a go up there, go rise it for themselves.
All right.
When them go
Me
up there,
know that one they gonna know.
then tell themselves, say them a go up there like next week.
Yeah.
Gather up them rice and peas and then chicken. And gather up them something with them a carry. They no carry no rice and peas, white rice. Then say them a pick.
Backside
You
one
can't
rice.
go raise ghosts with rice and peas. You have to use white rice.
Yes.
And and then carry them jump, they have grater, they have every little thing where them are use to beat them come in
Beat
and
and
something.
make them come in
Yeah.
and something.
And they have white
Like
rum and-
maroon.
Yeah, and everything they carry with them, but they tell themselves, say, they can use that to rise the pan jar. So
Yeah.
they gather up everything and go up there. When they reach a waterworks now, then go without the white man, you know. Remember, the gift was for the white man, you know, so them
Right.
impossible for them get
Them
it.
fit do it.
All right. Well, in here, you show your man greedy and run games.
Yes.
He run go up there, carry them chicken and something and white rice and cook up them. Did they beat Joe man a scrape grater, man a shake woman and pick me and wine and dog and all kind of car. Dog everybody did them. Rice a cook and pot a cook.
Why?
And come in a beat and man a wine man. You know,
Yes.
things are going.
Yeah, man. Things are
Anyway,
going, yes.
they say now how was a night now.
Yeah.
Then hear like the hurt a pop up and bust up and something and come out a hurt.
Yeah.
So when they look, then say they see one long white man come up out of hurt. Long like the light post, yeah. And I look down upon them so. And nobody can respond to this man, you know, because he's a Spaniard man.
Backside.
And nobody can respond to him. The man only knows Spanish. None of them know Spanish.
Right,
You understand? So when the man start to respond to them now,
Yeah.
we raise him, then can
Then
respond
can't
back to the man.
respond. Yeah.
Oh, me, so the man start pan them up in a bush there now. And dog and woman and picnic and pot and stove and drum and everything. One of mash up, who not get lick in a face, get lick over gully. Dog start run, dog
And a
dead.
ball.
Hey, hear me no man? Everybody dead, 6 of them.
Six
And the whole 6 of them, all the dog them where they go up there dead.
dead.
Everybody dead.
Yeah.
And like a youth where they dead.
Yeah.
Everybody will go where they dead over waterworks with them. Say them are going to raise pan a jar.
Right, dead.
Every one of them will go dead.
But
Only man we know dead are the white man where they go about.
because
Everybody
them run
dead.
Yeah, they run against
Run against
Brooksie,
and
yeah.
go kill them. You see
And
a
they
white
want
man,
to
they
see
kill
where
them.
down in the first.
Go kill them.
Right.
Kill the whole of them over in a bush there. One go.
Right.
Everybody turn over.
Then they want the white man come back
You
out,
see
you know.
you see who run and escape?
Yeah.
Because some of them run too, you know.
Yeah.
When they find say this happen, you know, then run, you know, and who take gully, who fi take road, you know.
Right.
One of the man run, you know, and come out of me and come and find himself in our community, you know, and come and one shop and did a shop with the old man there, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, say goes find him and come kill him round there too.
Backside.
Kill him, same place round there
Same
too.
place.
Him run out of bush in here, close up. Run out of bush and come out of front and come. Tell them everybody what go on.
Wagwan. Yeah.
He no last long neither. Him no last long neither.
Find him.
Sooner or later, them find him to man and
Then
done
could
him
have
to
wait
man.
for the white man.
Just
too.
wait them for wait for the man to come back. Because the gift was for the white man.
Right.
That in a bush there over the years and nobody
Nobody never
know
known.
that till the man come.
Yeah.
And carry the and then carry man.
Just
at the
wait,
spot.
3 weeks.
Just
no
wait now.
Yeah.
Them go back and the man back so them a go rise the panya jar.
Then
And
rise
them
it.
did
And
rise
then they
it.
know. Then they know
Them
what to
did
do.
rise panya jar. Go beat them over there, nearly kill them. Everybody under pressure.
Nearly kill them or kill them.
Yeah, man. Everybody under pressure, man. Trust me.
Yeah.
Ghosts are not something for your ramp with, man.
No,
Man, go
man.
to the cemetery, go take up all ghosts, you know. Trouble ghosts, you know. Interfere with ghosts, you know. And ghosts. Turn him in an idiot, you know.
All right.
Let me not know one woman will ghost turn in an idiot, man.
Me no know
Turn
what
him in
what-
an idiot,
what-
man. Him and him boy, man.
Eh?
Go raise ghosts, man, up a cemetery, there, man. Around same place in our community.
For what?
Me no know where I want if you do. Go in a cemetery in the night up
You
there.
understand? Because I can't live out of my bed.
Eh.
Go trouble
And
for you.
people and dead, and the people and dead in a cemetery there.
Mad the boy and shit, mad.
Mad him and him boy, cause I'm and him boy going to cemetery go trouble the people them.
Oh, what
Mad him. Right now the boy would have dead, kind in a put it on there, walk up and down. The boy dead, the mother dead long time too.
Yeah.
Kill them man.
Eh.
Say him go raise ghosts.
Boy, you gonna raise ghosts in a middle. Me
Them
no know
people
what
claim to
sweet
say you
me.
can raise duppy and put it on another somebody and then we there. You know, say.
But you know something to play with.
You know, people run against neither too.
Nah,
You know,
I'm
run
greedy.
against.
All right.
Yeah.
Something in going I bury going for
People
free do.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody
People
else
tell
pick
about
me
the
or
earth,
somebody.
you hurt somebody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, or set on somebody pick me or something like that. You
Ah,
feel me?
you
I
see
say,
what happen?
and you, end of the day, if
It
that
turn
never
on back
happen to them,
on you.
We wouldn't know,
Right.
you know. We wouldn't know, you know, say that then do, you know.
All right.
But also we pick me argue them that go for go
Who
try
to
to
tell you
play
how much,
with
how
them.
much people you know,
Achoo.
do that, you know, hurt before too. At the
that?
same time come now when we get caught up, you
Yeah.
know. And people get caught up with them and find out say that they
Wicked.
do, you know. So at the end of the day, we are sure you say people, we feel live good
Yeah, man.
and do good.
Some of
because
them no want live good.
when you do good, a good follow you, and if you do bad, a bad, I go live with you. You see me I say?
Right.
So here and now. Because she have cherished body in her, you know, make that happen to her and
You
her
have
son,
it
you
set.
know.
Oh, me could have take pretty now about me and the Ghana cemetery.
Go on,
Are
go
you
on.
wanna go in?
trouble
Come
there.
now, go with you.
You go trouble dead. I just get thing them, man, you know. So, as we
Why
say,
go sweet me out of my
people-
bed?
it
Coolness.
pay if you live good and do good.
There's some
you
wicked
know.
people in the world
So,
still, you know,
as
but
we
that's
say-
just life.
As we say, what goes around comes around, brother.
Right.
So,
Set
it pay if you
a
live
way
good.
where your other pitney then can
yeah.
get your grandpitney, your great grandpitney can see life.
Exactly.
Set a good life. If it happen to you, you catch them, but
The
if you
same
set
way.
bad, it'll come on
Me
right
like
back
that
on your
part
pitney.
there, no. When you do wickedness and you can't take your pitney there.
All right.
And your pitney have a clue
And then
and
Right.
you
go
want
where
to
you
know
do.
what you do.
Come most
All
time,
right.
people don't even know say you do them thing,
That's
then either
what I
to
mean.
you.
All right.
Me and clean. I be
Yeah,
a good
man.
me say
Yeah, man. You
All
have to
the
try
while.
to
I want
keep
my
them clean,
pitney to
man.
flourish.
Yeah, man.
And you know, sometimes when we do good, sometimes the good people they always struggle for a while first, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And then the people them were bad get it easy.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
guess what? We can't give up.
Never.
Can't give
Never
up.
be do that. You know?
Just
Don't
keep
give up.
on fight the good way, because honest
Yeah.
bread hard.
Always, you know? True, man.
But when you get your bread too easy,
So as we say, remember people if you do good and good we always follow you. You
True,
understand?
man.
Yeah, man. Just remember, do good and good we always follow you. You know what I
Right.
say? Yeah, man. Respect here.
yeah, man.
One love.
Enough
Remember
love
people.
and thanks. Bless up the family
Remember,
them.
share, like and subscribe. to
And
Brooksie
comment.
Family. And comments. Yeah. Big up on yourself. This is Brooksie and family one more time.